We are high above San Gil. Just entered the extreme sport park. Sloan and I have been bitten by the extreme sport bug. We're looking to get our thrills out today, aren't we, Sloanie?
Yeah.
No.
I don't know if I can do it.
Hey, you can. I already paid. Not feeling super confident, but gonna give it a go. Gotta show my daughter how to do this.
Are there any tips, or do you just start riding?
Okay.
Just go?
Oh God. Oh my God. This is Baywire. Adam, you idiot. You're so dumb. This is way too high. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is not cool. Oh my God, not good. Not good at all. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is just freaky deaky. I don't know what I'm doing. I didn't do the right thing. I want to go back. Oh, the wind's picking up. Jesus Lord. Help me. Mother of Mary. Don't look down. Oh no. Oh, it's picking up windy now. I gotta get going. Oh God. This is too much. Oh. It's so wobbly. Okay, stay calm. Stay calm. This is crazy. I'm almost there. I'm not even halfway. I just don't think I could ever do this ever again. Why did I do this? This is so stupid. I gotta hold on to my camera so tight. Adam. You have this low. You're 41 now. What the hell? Why did you do this? Don't be such a baby. You're almost there. This guy's getting me on the drone. I'm losing my mind. It's so easy though. This is nothing. Oh, I'm almost there. I'm out of breath. God, I had a Red Bull, didn't even help. What happened? I used to be so cool. Now I'm old and gray. Oh wow. I'm not like I used to be. Oh wow. Dude, that was crazy. Oh. Okay, hold on. You got this thing? I just came from over there. arms. Get me home. Oh, it's like uphill at the end. It's just killer. Oh my God. Too much. Crazy. I was the most scared. Here she comes. I can see Sloan now.
Oh no. Somebody grab me. I'm gonna go start going backwards. Hold me.
Sloan, you did it. You waving to me on the way there, I freaked out. I was so scared. How was your trip?
Scared.
You okay?
That last half. It's really hard. I can't move my legs.
Good job, Sloan. That was just bonkers. They should have paid me $40,000 to do that. That total price for that bike ride, $13 each.
What? Bike on the way back was like this.
Same.
So I was
Oh.